came west with romantic notions of finding a husband. As a woman in a male-dominated community, her choices will be many, ranging from cowboys to prominent businessmen. And when she marries, she'll have to give up her job. And when the next school year begins, another young woman will arrive in town with a suitcase in hand.
She'll have to give up her job when she marries,
that's
Ma.
unbelievable. When he said that, I can't believe that. Why would she have to give up her job?
That's the way it was in the Old West. All right, we'll cross over here and go back the other way.
Is there a...
Yeah.
thing
Yeah,
here?
there's a ramp by the crosswalk.
That's crappy. Oh, look at that white building.
Yeah.
That one?
Yep.
Red.
By the American Legion. See the cute little cacti here on your left? Ooh, it got windy.
Yeah, what happened all of a sudden?
I don't know, it's the desert, Ma.
The desert?
There's a nice mural.
Uh-huh.
Some gave all.
You
What
gotta
will
go-
you give?
You gotta go behind the flag to try to get it. Nice. What are they called? Cavalry, not the cavalry?
Yeah, well this is the yeah, I guess the army.
Yeah.
They got an army guy there. He's got a button too.
Yeah. Oh, here's the snakes. Be careful.
Oh yeah, big iguana.
Did you lose Daddy?
No, he's probably still on the bench.
Oh, I didn't see him.
You went 2 blocks.
Oh, I did?
Yeah. If my father wants to, I want to go to the Rusty Rooster.
Yeah, we can go. If I can't do it, I'll sit in the car. Don't
Okay,
worry.
well that's what I'm saying.
I
If
don't mind.
if it's okay with Daddy.
It's okay. Go any place you want to go.
Here's a realtor. Daddy, want to see real estate
I don't know.
pictures? Can you grab one for us, please?
Daddy likes all this crap.
Thank you so much.
Nice cushions. Wow. He's not afraid nobody will take those cushions.
Ma, you're in Wickenburg, the Old West.
What does that mean?
Somebody
Bingo,
steals it.
6 p.m.
Somebody steals it,
Bingo,
they'll shoot
Daddy.
you. Yes, the what is this? The Moose Lodge.
Bingo.
No,
That's for
no
me.
firearms.
No firearms allowed. Bingo.
Here's the brewery, honey. We've never been in there.
Nope.
Vulture Mine Brewery.
Probably closes at 5.
You can't do everything, Dave.
I know, we're gonna one day.
Well, a couple time. I can't talk today. You
Stopping?
come a few times. You can see the things that you're interested in.
Yes. Bill likes to go to Cave Creek better, so next time I'll choose and we'll come here. But here's
No, I like
good
it
riding.
here, too. Yeah, I like it here.
No, I mean motorcycle riding.
Oh, motorcycle riding.
Bill's making fun because I said riding. He's like, and roping.
I hope I didn't hurt that poor man. I ran over his foot, I think.
He seems fine. The other gift shop is like in front of this, but I wanted to check out the Rusty Rooster.
Okay, so that's where we're going.
Okay.
We lost Daddy.
He's not on the bench?
He's lost in America.
Lost in
Lost in America.
In the Wild
Can't
West.
find Mom.
Lost in the Wild West.
Oh, there's people in the stagecoach.
Of
I
course.
didn't see that.
And then there's pictures of an old
Oh,
stagecoach.
We found Bob. Thank God, I thought I'd lost you.
You don't lose me, Bee.
It took me 4 blocks up.
I know. Did you go look at the train?
Yes.
Mommy likes the train.
Yes,
Yes.
I do.
Me, not that excited about